Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change language on Scrabble Go. So let's get started. First, open your Scrabble Go game. Now tap on your displayed profile picture at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on the change button, which is right next to menu language option. Now select the language that you prefer. If you are sure, tap on the continue button. And this is how you can change language on Scrabble Go. Thanks for watching Gaming Explained. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you're new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.